Gentlemen, I have a really good feeling about this one. The W1R work light from Ledlenser. Okay, I think this is going to be really big. I think that a lot of you guys are going to want to get this one. In fact, it's going to sell out. I can tell. It's just... I was looking at, videos of it, and pictures of it on the website, and this thing has a feature set that looks like... It looks like it's going to be really good. That's my prediction. I've made a lot of predictions on this channel, mostly about the New England Patriots, but... Oh yeah. Hello, I am the W1R. Yeah, okay. So anyways, it's a light, right, with a clip, and this is a magnet, okay? And this floodlight articulates, okay? Turn it off so you guys can see a little better. But it articulates, okay? So, let me just grab this hat, and you can put the light on your hat, right? Which I guess is no big deal. You'd be like, oh, there's a lot of lights like that. Well, look, let me swivel it. Swivel it, all right? Now, this is where a lot of your hat-mounted lights fail, because the light's pointing forward. Look, you can point it down, right? So you're wearing the hat. Imagine this is your squash. The hat's on your squash. The light's pointing down, where you're working, where you're walking, all right? It's a nice floodlight. The box says, how long does it last? You have it on high, which gives you 220 looms, an hour and a half. You have it on low, 7 hours, okay? So, I think that would should last a whole shift. If you non-continuous usage, obviously you're going to be wearing a light your whole shift. You probably want to get a Ledlenser, one of their hard hat lights. And speaking of hard hats, I'm going to find out tomorrow if this clip will work on my hard hat. Okay, I got a job that I got to go up to, but the other thing about this clip, which is really cool, is that I wear FR shirts with chest pockets. Okay, so you can put this on the chest pocket and point the light out. Okay, and so or you could just put it on where you button your shirt. Same thing. What do they call it? It's not the cuff. The lapel, I guess. Put it on your lapel. And if you're a dork who wears a backpack, you can put it on your backpack strap, right? I'm a duffel bag man. I don't like backpacks. This is my L Bean duffel bag. This duffel bag's really good, by the way. I've had this for a long time. I live out of it. So expect a review of this duffel bag. I'm a duffel bag man, but I mean, yeah, you could put this on your backpack strap. Okay, so I'll leave a link below if you guys want to get it and try it out with me. 7-year warranty. That's pretty good. If anything goes wrong with it, we'll give them a call. Oh, and it's rechargeable by USB-C. All right, so this is the flashlight that I use a lot now by Nebo. This is my bedside light, bedside table. It has this red light, which is good for a bedside light. But USB-C, okay, and right here we have a little charging port, USB-C, right? And seeing if there's an indicator light anywhere. Oh, I think that the indicator light might be in there. Alright, it just turned on. It's fully charged, I guess. I don't know. I'm finding out about it. Like I said, if you are thinking you want this, I'll leave a link below. You better pick it up now, because this thing, it's sold out on the Ledlenser website. And I had to order this one off of Amazon, okay? And yes, it did come with a USB-C cable, okay? And some other papers. I'll read them in an upcoming video. I'll make a review video. This is just the unboxing first look, okay? And then I'll read these so you don't have to. I know a lot of you guys don't like reading manuals. I'll break it down for you. But this thing looks so versatile. Like, just the way that you can rotate this part. Okay, let me stand here so maybe you guys can see a little better. Like, you can rotate where it attaches to the clip, and you can articulate the floodlight. Okay, so the possibilities are endless. This is limited only by your imagination. And if you get really bored, it can talk to you. Hello, I am the WR1. Feed me in my USB-C port. All right, that you hear his voice. He sounds like a really nice guy. We have some a whole matrix of bumps here for grip. So, yeah, like I said, you guys can probably tell how excited I am about this. I am that dorky that I would get excited about a flashlight. So obviously I'm kind of getting away from the pen lights. I still like pen lights, but I just want to try this type of light and see how it compares. You know, whether this fits in better to the workflow. All right, and you know, again, I put the pen lights in my chest pocket of my shirt. And one other thing, I don't know if I mentioned this, but magnets right here. So there's no metal here. I'm in the man camp bedroom, but you know, plenty of metal on the Peterbilt, you know, on the frame rail of the trailer. You know, that will test out the magnet. Test out the clip, test out the light, and I'll give you long-term results. And if you're interested in purchasing it, I'll put a link below. And if it's still sold out on the Ledlenser website, I'll put a link for the Amazon, where you can get on Amazon. The WR1. And like I said, I predict that this one is going to be huge. Okay, that's just my prediction, but we'll give it a fair test. We'll put it through its paces. And some of you are going to ask me if I'm going to be dunking it in diesel. Well, the IP class is IP54. I don't know like the dunkability, but we'll see. I'll just say we'll see, okay? And one other thing that I want to mention that's important to me is that I really don't like LED lights. I'm kind of an old-fashioned, regular bulb, okay? But you look on the box that Ledlenser pays attention to the color index and the color temperature. Okay, so this is rated 6,500 kelvins, so it's cool white. Okay, so I mean, it's German made. You know, this is the kind of like borderline autistic things that Germans really care about. Okay, the color of your flashlight, and you might scoff and be like, "What's the big deal?" Well, if you're an electrician or you're doing even if you're not, even if you're a trucker, you're going to want to know what color wire you're looking at. You know, is it green, red, black, white, blue? I mean, for replacing a light in the dark, even if it's just a pigtail on a light on a truck. If you're a trucker, you're going to want to know what color before you cut the wire. And how much more important is that to an electrician? You know, a licensed electrician. But anyways, a lot of details that go into the design of this product, and I'm Jim Kincaid. Thanks for watching.